What is the first thing a member sees when they join a Discord server? A welcome message, right? Welcome messages come in various ways, but they all tend to give off first impressions, and first impressions are crucial for whether they want to be on your server or not. One of the best ways to go about doing this is to make a warm welcome using a welcomer bot. Luckily for BotGhost, we have a simple and clean way to make your very own welcomer bot while also being free. Simply head over to the BotGhost website and create a bot. Once you're there, there is a list of modules that you'll see over to the left side. You want to click on the one that lists welcomer and enable it. Now that you have access to a bunch of features in the welcomer module, let's go over each one, starting with the welcome card. The welcome card is a card that greets users that you can customize to however you like. Note that these welcome cards are only accessed by premium users. Besides having it disabled, there are 3 other options to choose from: send to a channel, message the user, or send to a channel and message the user. Send to a channel will send the welcome card on a Discord channel that you can select whenever a member joins the server. Toggling this will enable a new setting to select which Discord channel you would like the welcome card to be in. So let's say for instance, I want my welcome card to be in my welcome channel. Assuming that I already made a welcome channel on my Discord server, I refresh the list, click on the welcome text channel, and I hit save changes. Message the user just makes it so that the welcome card is directly messaged to the member as soon as they join the server. And send to a channel and message the user is self-explanatory. It just sends the welcome card to a specific channel that you picked while also directly messaging the member as soon as they join the server. Now let's actually customize these welcome cards. There are 3 options to choose from when making the background for your welcome cards. You can choose either a plain color background, a default background image, or a custom background image. A plain colored background gives you the option to select a solid color for the background of your welcome card. The default background image lets you select the drop-down list of background presets that BotGhost provides. The options here aren't as versatile as, say, a color picker like how the plain color background one has, but it does have a sleeker design for your background. And finally, the custom background image lets you select a custom background for your welcome card, as the name implies. Once it's selected, it'll bring up a URL link below to paste in an image. Make sure that the URL for the image is a valid link, meaning it redirects to the image and the URL ends with an image file type such as .png or .jpeg. For the rest of the welcome card customizations, you got the title color, the description color, and then you got the avatar border color, which is this ring that appears around the member's profile picture. Below the colors, you got the banner title, which lets you write in something as the title of your welcome card alongside the color that you can choose. After that, there's also a banner description where you can write in a smaller second line of text for the welcome card. One huge thing to note is that both the title and description of the welcome card accepts variables, so it's fully customizable in how you want to display the card. So there's lots of variables to choose from, but I'm going to name some of them that I recommend the most. User_name simply displays the name of the member that joined. Server displays the exact name of your server, and server_members displays the member count of your Discord server. The channel reactions list is the emoji reaction that the welcomer bot will automatically react for every welcome card message. Note that the welcomer bot can only go up to 5 reactions. Now, if you don't think that the welcome cards are enough, you're also able to make standard welcome messages upon the members joining. The message on join toggle allows the welcomer bot to automatically send a message to a specific channel. Toggling this on leads you to a couple of options. The channel is where you would like to send the welcomer bot a message upon the member joining. So let's say I want that bot to send a message over to my welcome channel. Assuming that I already created a welcome channel on my Discord server, I would refresh the channel list and select the welcome channel and hit save changes. Now every time a member joins the server, the welcomer bot will automatically send a message to that channel. Speaking of messages, the welcome message is where you can type out a message to the channel that you had selected previously. There is a toggleable option to have the message either be a plain text or an embedded text. The plain text message just has a normal text format, whereas the embedded text message gives you the option to write out the author, the titling, the contents of the message itself, image URL, the footer message, an embedded URL at the title, and a color picker with a hex code for the strokes shown on the left side of the embedded message. Note that in both embedded and plain text messages, you are able to use some variables in your messages. For instance, user mentions the user in the message, user_name displays the member's name in the message, and card displays the welcome card in the message that I had talked about earlier. And last but not least, the reactions lets you select whichever emoji you want the welcomer bot to react to the message with. Note that the welcomer bot can only go up to 5 reactions. The direct message on join is exactly what it sounds like. It just lets the bot send the member a custom direct message of your choice. As you see, toggling on this option gives you the same set of options that you had from the message on join. The welcome direct message is whatever message you would like the member to see from the direct message. The reaction is what emoji reaction the welcome bot reacts to the message with. Once again, the welcomer bot can only go up to 5 reactions. The add role on join is also pretty self-explanatory. Basically, whenever a member joins in your Discord server, add role on join makes it so that it automatically gives a member roles. Let's say for instance, I want to make it so that whenever a new member joins the server, they should automatically get a newcomer role. Once you had created a newcomer role from your Discord server, go to the roles to add on join tab and hit refresh. Once you hit refresh, you can add on plus and select the newcomer role and then hit save changes. Furthermore, the wait for rules acceptance makes it so that the bot will wait after the member views your server rules and accepts the membership screening page. Now for the message on leave section. The message on leave makes it so that it leaves off a message to a Discord channel whenever a member leaves your Discord server. So if one of my members leaves, I make the bot display a message over to a join and leave channel to send its goodbyes. Now for the message itself, this is where the leave message come into play. I don't really need to repeat myself again here. This is the same messaging format that you've seen earlier in this video, and it even includes the variables, so stuff like user_name displays the name of the user. You can also have the message be embedded, which also does not need to be explained again. The reaction tab makes it so that the bot automatically reacts with up to 5 emojis of your choice to that leave message. The same principles of message on leave can also be applied to message on kick and message on ban. The only key difference is that message on kick is only activated when the member gets kicked out of your Discord server, whereas message on ban is activated when the member gets banned off of your Discord server. Last but not least, there are the events for the welcomer bot. As stated in previous videos, the event acts like a listener for the bot. They just continuously check for events in the server and trigger an action when needed. There's only 4 events you need to deal with, so let's go through each one, starting with joins handler. The joins handler is the one that's responsible for the welcome card, the message on join, and its ability to add roles. The leaves and kick handler holds the message on leave and the message on kick tabs. The bans handler deals with the message on ban tab, and lastly, the membership screening acceptance handler deals with when the member accepts the membership screening page. It's relatively easy to make your own welcomer bot, especially if you use BotGhost. If you're still confused about how any of this works, you can always hit us up in our Discord server to learn more, but with that being said, you're now ready to welcome your own members with open arms.